Hey everybody, my hat's crooked. Welcome back to another video here on Vivo Garage. Today I'm just going to do a real quick one, and this stems from when I installed this Kenwood into my truck here. Something just didn't seem right with it, so I took some time today to dive in and really kind of assess what the issue was. So I'll briefly describe what it was. The volume was really low. I would crank it up to, we'll just call it in the 20s, I think out of 30. And the volume just really wasn't there. And it just seemed like it was extremely lacking on there. So I did some research with the connector module that interfaces the radio into the harness of the truck and all that stuff. And everything was dialed in correctly, but I did want to point out, I'll flip the camera around on what it was. And it's super simple, and I hope this helps other people out. So as you can see, I got the radio, all the guts ripped out of it here, and you've got the wire harness that goes from the radio into the control module on this, and then this connects into the factory wiring and such. But the radio select on the side here, it does need to be on the right dial, and I realized in my initial video I never really got that part identified. So make sure you read the manual. There are some different settings, switch settings on this radio select, and it's nothing more than like a dial knob here. Mine's a Kenwood, so Kenwood is number 3. And then there's some programming buttons and stuff like that, an upgrade port, which I don't have. But what I want to call out is there's a non-amplified factory audio and an amplified factory audio. Now my truck has an amplified system from Bose. So I plugged it into the amplified radio, factory radio option here, and that's where I went wrong. I plugged it into the non, and everything is so much better. It's louder, it's all that. So that's the issue I had. And I mean, that's at volume 6, and it's already way louder, and it just keeps going, and that's at 14. I don't know if you can hear me, but I have to turn this down before I get called out for not giving anybody, not having the rights to play that on my YouTube videos. But that was it. So now I'm going to go through and I'm just going to dial in the radio for just, I think I'm just going to reset the audio to go down to a factory, and then I'm just going to tweak it from there. But yeah, I'm just going to call this video right here, and hopefully that helps people out. I've had this in now for almost 2 years, and it's been kind of one of those frustrating things. I still don't necessarily care for the radio 100% because it doesn't have that volume knob. That volume knob to me, I'm finding, is very important, but you know, it may just give a little extra life in this radio for me. I was really starting to shop around and try and find a different one, but so that's it. Real quick video today. Like I said, hopefully this helps people out, especially if you're in these, this GMC line Bose system. You want to go to the non-amplified factory radio or factory audio option. Cool. Till next time, bye.